Hello everyone, welcome to Website Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to mint the Phala World NFT. Right now, the NFT, you can mint it if you are whitelisted. If not, then the public mint will be the November 4th. So you will need to wait one more day. So before we go over the tutorial, let's first take a look at this NFT. So this is the first one like actually in .sama. They implement the soulbound NFT, and the shell NFT is the one that you can buy this time. The soulbound NFT, that's a spirit that you can get it for free. Overall, that would be 8,888 shell NFT you have, and including the legendary magic is 80, legendary is 8. They are all sold out, and right now it's prime. The prime one like you can buy. And so the prime one, they also have different species. I think the main attribute is here, and I would highly recommend all of you should take a look at that because those main like attributes, four of them, right? Dex, will, intelligence, and strength. And so they have meaning. So it's just related to what kind of activity you want to do. For example, if you do a lot of on-chain action, right? You probably will check this the on-chain one. And if you do a lot of governance, then you should choose governance. That's a wheel. So if you do a lot of coding, then you should choose the one related to coding. This is basically like all the details. You can take a look. I will send the link so you can take a look at it by yourself. So now let's just go ahead to show you like the spirit NFT itself. You can claim it for free. So this one I made a video a long time ago, and you basically just need to connect to your Twitter, Discord, and the shell NFT is the one like we need to buy. So this shell one like only the prime now is available, and each of them would be 500 Phala. So only the whitelisted account can mint right now. So if you click the button mint, now it will go through the different type of actually there are 4 types, and so you can check this first one is AI, and you can choose the one you want, and then like the career is going to show you the match and like career matching, so you should choose the one like match with high. But of course, I think if you understand the attribute, you know what you are doing, you can choose the one you would like. For example, like if you do a lot of coding, right, then you should choose a hacker role. So now if you click mint, now I just choose a robot warrior because that's the one like with highest match, and the species you can choose. I think the X gene and the AI looks like those two, they are my favorite. And then the career, you can choose the one that match with your current spirit NFT that status. If you mint, sometimes you get this error, it's because you didn't log in correctly. Alright, so I log in again. Now you can see the description, and you can update your spirit, and then you can mint the shell NFT. So now it should work. Let's go to the prime again and try to mint it again. So I will just choose the one like I would like. So I will just go ahead to choose. This time I will choose the X gene, and then I click mint and confirm. So make sure you get the Phala token on your account. You need to have at least like maybe 510 or 20. Keep some transaction fee. Okay, so they do have tutorial about like how to get the Phala token, so make sure you follow the tutorial. I also post the link. So to get the Phala token, I personally use Parallel Finance because they do have the cross chain. I just get the the Phala token from there. You can swap and then use a cross chain to send from Phala Finance to the, actually it's Phala Heco, because the Phala token you should keep would be the Kana, which is on Kusama chain. So the Phala Finance, they have a cross chain. You can send it to the Kana and then you can mint. And so the public one would be after maybe one more day, 1 or 2 more days. So you should be able to mint if you don't get the whitelist. Alright, so that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I hope all of you enjoy this one. Personally, I like it because this is the first soul-bound NFT, right, in Sama, and it seems interesting. They also have a cool fat contract which is used in a lot of other NFT projects, so that's why I like it. But of course, this is not financial advice. I will just share my experience and how you can mint it. If you want to mint it, you can check this tutorial. Alright, so that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.